Okay, friends, here we go. This blanket that many people have asked me about is in this book, Go Crochet Afghan Design Workbook, and it is on sale. Okay, this book is on sale. I have 19 copies left, and I am willing to put them on sale for $18 a book. I know many of you already have the book, and I'm so grateful. But if you have been asking about this blanket and want to know how to get this pattern is in this book. So this book is 50 motifs. They're all different. And at the end of the book, the crowning jewel project is this blanket. It's called the All Call Blanket, and it uses all 50 motifs from this book. So this pattern, this complete pattern is in here. And I only have 19 copies of the book left. So here's the placement diagram for every single motif. It does use every motif once, and like for example, here is this one is the rose octagon, this one is the Oscar square, this one is the pick a posy, page 38, this one is the granny octagon. So you get all 50 patterns, all 50 motifs in this book with instructions on how to put it together to make this blanket. So many of you have the book. I'm so grateful that you have it, but I was spring cleaning. I came across one case. So a case is 20 bucks. One of the books is damaged. It has like the corner is all like banged up from being on the corner of the case. So I only have 19 books left. I published this in 2011, so it's an old book, but it's timeless. Like I still use patterns out of it all the time. Matter of fact, coming up, let's see, is it this one? No, it's the other one. Okay. So, but I've taught many of these on the channel already, so you will get video instruction to go along with the patterns on a lot of these. But if you have been wanting this pattern, the All Call Blanket, or you've been wanting the book, now's the chance, because once they're gone, they're gone. The link is in the description below this video. It's at ellengormley.com, and then it's the Crochet and Hobbies tab. There's a store there, and you'll see the discounted price of $18 a book. This is only for U.S. residents, unfortunately, because I'm trying to get rid of the books and I can't afford shipping internationally. If you want a book internationally, there might be some left over on Amazon that are unsigned, and that link is in the description below also, where it says my books for sale on Amazon. Anytime you shop on Amazon, that does help me out. It doesn't cost you any extra money, but it's an affiliate link, so thank you so much for that. Anyway, I guess that's all I wanted to say for today. So I'm so grateful that you guys have supported this channel, and thank you for supporting my effort towards spring cleaning. And I hope you have a great, relaxing, and valuable use of your day. Thanks. Bye.